The discharge petition ordering the release of all of the Epstein files has now become law. The Department of Justice has 30 days to release all of the Epstein files, but there are a few exceptions. What I fear is that this Attorney General, Pam Bondi, and this Department of Justice, which has acted as a vessel of Donald Trump to this point, is going to continue the cover-up. So let's go through some of these exceptions real quick, just to identify where the issues may be. One is any victim identifying details, which is routinely redacted. That should not be an issue. The second is child sexual abuse material. That is an area where the Department of Justice is going to have to be scrutinized. If you are holding back all of those materials, you're obviously also holding back a photo or video that would involve the perpetrator of the child sex abuse. There's also a category of material that would constitute a clearly unwarranted invasion of personal privacy. Remember, this is the Department of Justice that has redefined credible evidence to mean evidence that is favorable for Donald Trump. That is how they have defined all of the Epstein materials in saying that there is no credible evidence that they should have released. This is subject to tremendous abuse. Next, anything that the administration labels to be classified material, I don't think that should apply here at all. We haven't been informed of any classified material. The last one is this active investigation exception. Now, this investigation has been closed. The Southern District of New York conducted a lengthy investigation, charged Jeffrey Epstein, charged and convicted Ghislaine Maxwell, and the appeal was affirmed by the Second Circuit in September of 2024. They have had those materials the whole time. I worked there for 10 years. I can assure you, they combed those materials to see if anyone else could be charged. They decided the answer was no. They closed the investigation. Now, as part of this cover-up, last week, Donald Trump ordered the Department of Justice to open an investigation again into others who were mentioned in the emails that the Oversight Committee got from Epstein's estate. Well, those investigations have already been done. And so this is so clearly part of the cover-up to give Pam Bondi a reason to say that they can't release the materials because they're part of an active investigation, just to allow for Pam Bondi to try to withhold the Epstein files. So you out there, we in Congress, the survivors, are going to have to continue to fight to get these files released. This is a bogus excuse. They can release them today. They have already gone through them to redact them. They are ready to go, and the Department of Justice must do it now.